to. I recently bought a holder for a mobile phone. Branded and inexpensive. The feature of this holder is that it can be mounted in 3 ways. The first method, mounting on the windshield. The second method, mounting on the torpedo, using such a circle. To do this, we need double-sided tape. The third way, fan mount. In the first method, we need We fasten these 2 objects to each other on the clamp, bring out the handle for the suction cup. Here you can attach not only a smartphone, but other gadgets from 45 to 95 millimeters. Now we attach the device to the windshield of the car. Now we clamp the suction cup handle. Now we adjust the comfortable height of the instrument panel. We turn on the navigator on the smartphone. I say Kiev. Google Navigator voice says where I need to move. The second option, we attach this circle to the dashboard of the car with 2-sided tape. And on this circle we attach the holder stand. It's moving away from me, since I didn't use double-sided tape. This is how it stands. Minus this method, I will smear the torpedo with tape, which is not very hygienic. The third way, installation to the fan of the machine. There is such a clamp. We insert this clip into a special connector. We tighten the mount so that there is no rotation. Install the fan mount down. We put the smartphone on the mounting panel and you can safely use the smartphone. The disadvantage of this method is that a fan, heater, or air conditioner will blow on your smartphone. There is another method of fastening, with a clothespin to be fixed on the speedometer panel, but this method will not work for me. Since the speedometer panel is very thick and streamlined, therefore the clothespin will not stick. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.